just hooked up these new flood little remote control relays, and I just put them inside the switches, so now I can turn the lights on and off, and these things have a pretty good range. Here's the other remote, but I'm probably 35, 40 feet away. There you go. And I also just had to make room inside the boxes for these little remote control relays because they're a little bulky. So I had to actually come in here and put that box on. So it's wired in parallel, so you can turn it with either the switch. And we also have this one right here. Works the front garage doors, the lights at the front of the doors.